My dear friends, congratulations on Apple. Today we have a new high, and the chart you are looking at is no longer valid. This follows my shift strategic plan announced here, upgrading the stock to strong buy from strong sell. Therefore, I repeat that the chart is no longer valid, and once again you obtained confirmation that I create the charts, and by creating the charts we offer the most important competitive advantage compared to any other service worldwide, where not only we create charts as well as we explain the process of creating the chart and informing subscribers, students in advance which are the most important pivots to look for, its action, and then based on my comments also where to use the most position sizing, betting on Apple for the crash, and then betting on the reverse of the trend in Apple precisely at 386.5. So I repeat that this chart is no longer valid, and we are going to do is to click on this link, annotate, and we are going to delete that line, pivots that we created during this entire crash process, and we also going to delete this red circle, and I'm going to click on upload, and now I'm going to show you the 2 months chart with a bottom precisely at 386.5 as I expected, the strong buy rating, and then something extraordinary that you have not seen in the past 7 months during the crash, a momentum lag in Apple stock with the share price advancing and never pulled back as I expected. Bear in mind the pullback on the stock during this momentum lag is precisely this day here where the share price fell to 435 and where I reiterated strong buy in Apple, maintaining 100% or 1000% of long positions, and here you have the stock today at 461. Moreover, this is coincident with my comments on the overall market, expecting the Dow Jones to trade at 15,000 and above, as well as finally a breakout in the ETF, the Qs, which you can see here, the momentum lag with the bottom at 67, and then the same situation very similar to Apple. And obviously this situation, this momentum lag in the tech sector that many people they dislike, or they have been informing others that they were not gains to be made, which is absolutely ridiculous. You have confirmation also in other stocks, strong buy peaks, that this situation helped your portfolio to acquire further gains, not only by acquiring a huge investment, large position in Apple, as well as having positions in some other stocks across different market sectors, and I repeat, across different market sectors, where for me I announced some weeks ago, precisely at the bottom, that Apple would be my number one pick. So congratulations, because there was a plan, this plan worked to perfection, and when I say that worked to perfection, I announced that not only that in Apple that will be the bottom, as well as there was a huge difference between the downside and upside that justifies entirely this the existence of this momentum lag. So you had all reasons to bet on Apple crash, and then you had all reasons to invest heavily on the stock because you knew that I never failed in Apple since day one. So that is my comments for the day, and congratulations once again. Bear in mind that going forward, as I explained, the Apple chart changed, and you see that we create the charts, and that fact is the single most important competitive advantage a trader or investor can have, instead of studying technical analysis or fundamental analysis, which is completely irrelevant, although I teach in the service which technical indicators, and those are quite simple, you should follow. But what you have seen in Apple and in the market in general is not related to any technical indicators or fundamental analysis. So this is all related to the trade calls I made on the stock in the past few months, where I explained step by step the process for the crash and also the process for this excellent rally that we had on the stock so far. Thank you.